In today's video, I'll show you how to add columns in Rearrange to better organize and track your projects. Start by opening the board where you want to add a new column. Make sure you're on the correct board to avoid disrupting any existing setup. Next, find the plus icon to the right of your existing columns and click it. This will open a menu with various column types: text, date, status, numbers, and more. Choose the type that best fits the information you want to track. Once selected, your new column will appear on the board. Click on the column header to give it a clear, descriptive name so your team understands its purpose at a glance. And that's it. You've successfully added a column, making your board more organized and your project management more efficient. Choosing the right column types and names ensures smooth collaboration and keeps everyone on track.